In this video, I'll show you how to customize slide background picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. So at first, open up your PowerPoint. After that, just open any document. After that, just open any document. And you can see in my document on the slide, a background picture is already inserted. So if you want to customize this picture, you have to just click on Design tab. And at the top right corner, you can see Format Background option. Just click here. Just select Picture or Texture Fill. And that's it. Here you can find some options to customize your picture. If you want to change your picture, just click on Insert option. And from here, you can choose any source to select another. And from here, you can select another source. And from here, you can select any source to set another image or picture. And here you can see transparency option. From here, you can increase or decrease your picture transparency. And that is how you can customize your background picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.